Hello students. In today's class we shall be looking for the next exercise of chapter number 25, that exercise C. In the last two videos I explained you exercise A and exercise B. Today we shall discuss exercise C. So without waste of time, let us begin the class. So exercise C, which is given on your book, page number 123. You can open your page and then you can see here is written uh, a few of these sentences given below have error of subject verb agreement. Okay, rewrite them correctly. If you think the sentence is correct, so there you have to write no error. So the sentences given below, there you have to check that whether it is is correct, means according to the rule of subject verb and the agreement. And if you think that it is correct, there you have to write no error. Clear, students? So see, the first sentence is talking about the subject which is given in singular number. Your subject is singular, the Arabian Nights, which is the name of a book, or you can say that it is proper noun. Okay, Arabian, or the Arabian nouns, Nights. So is talking about nights. So students will see that nights, so they can be plural, but the subject is the Arabian Night, which is a name of, you can see that the collection of short story, so it is a name of book. So R is verb, which is wrong. So the verb are, that is what wrong, that R is placed according to plural subject, but the subject is given here which is singular in number. So that is why your answer will be is. Okay, is. So the Arabian Nights is a collection of interconnected short story. Okay, now next is question number 2. Only a cupboard full of, just wait. Okay, so we are talking about second one, no? So only a cupboard full of books is going to be sold. So only a cupboard full of books. Here you can see that full of books. A cupboard which is full of books. So here we will not go according to book, but by cupboard. So according to cupboard is given. The verb what is given is, that is completely correct. So here your answer will be no error. Clear? Now 3. Third says neither the agents nor my lawyer were able to help me. Neither the agents nor my lawyer. According to this rule, where the in a sentence where it started with the neither nor sentence in which you find neither nor, so the nearest, you have to go with the nearest subject. Clear? The nearest subject which is given in the sentence. So here the nearest subject is lawyer, and lawyer is given into singular form, not in plural. So according to this singular verb, we have to use singular subject, we have to use singular verb. So that is why this word is incorrect here. What we will use was. Neither the agent nor neither the agents nor my lawyer was able to help me. Clear? Number 4. This pair of socks has been lying around since yesterday. This pair of socks. I explained you where there was a phrase pair of. Okay, pair of scissors, pair of socks. So pair of, always use singular verb. With pair of, you have to always use what? Singular verbs. So a pair of socks has been. Already has is given, which is in plural number. So there is no error in this sentence. Clear, students? Okay. Now, question number 5. All the furniture is in our house are very old. All the furniture always in, singular in number, that is always singular. So furniture, are is given, are should not be there, there should be is, because there is no plural of furniture. So all the furniture in our house is very old. Number 6. The quality of these mangoes is not good at all. There is no error, because according to the quality, is given, that is right. Question number 7. Not only my phone but also my cards was stolen. Was. Sentences here joined by not only but also. So was is given according to that. My phone and my cards, two individual things. So were will be there. Okay. Now 8 is it says your honesty and kindness is your greatest. Just wait, let me drink water, please. All right. See, your honesty and kindness is your greatest strength. So honesty and kindness things should be are. Okay. Number 9. The flood situation in many of the regions have become worse. Many of the regions has become worse. Clear? The flood situation is talking about the situation which is given in singular. Clear? And the last is the soil on the bank. The soil on the bank of most river is sandy. Is given. Don't think that is given for rivers. It is given for the soil. Okay, so there is no error. So like that, students, we have completed all exercises A, B and C. So this chapter is completely completed. Now in the next chapter we shall discuss active passive voice. Already I have given you one video of active passive voice. Now exercise of these chapters will be given you soon. Till that time, students, thank you so much. Now all the exercises you have to write in your book. Clear? So thank you so much and have a nice day.